Good morning, children. Welcome back in e-learning classes. We are studying Science, Chapter 4. What is the name of the chapter? Separation of substances. We have studied 3 or 4 days this chapter, taking different topics one by one. So, in this chapter, we are studying about the different types of mixture, and this mixed component of this mixture get separated by different method. So, we have just divided the mixture into 3 types, 3 categories, different 3 categories. First categories was mixture of solid with solid. We have studied different method are applied for separation of the components of the solid mixture mixed with a solid substance. That was the first type of mixture. What type of mixture? Solid components get mixed with other solid components. So we have completed the such type of mixture by involving different process of separation. But today I will take different categories of the mixture. You tell me, you ask me what type of mixture, ma'am? So mixture that solid dissolve in liquid. That is the second type of mixture. Solids dissolve in liquid. This is the second type. And third type is liquid dissolve in liquid. First type of mixture was solid with solid, and second one is solid with liquid, and third one is liquid with liquid. But we have just studied about the mixture solid with solid, applying different process of separation, and we have completed the different types of mixture and separated by involving different method, जैसे winnowing, sieving, magnetic separation, sublimation, hand picking and the threshing. They are the different process of separation of component from the mixture. What type of mixture? The solid from solid. Today I will take up the second type of mixture, solids in liquid. Solid dissolve in liquid. But this is also get again categorized into 2 types, because not all the solids are dissolved in liquid. So this mixture are categorized into 2 types. Which type of mixture? Solid dissolve in a liquid. So today I will take up only 2 method of separation. 2 methods of separation: evaporation and crystallization. Evaporation and crystallization. 2 process of separation I will take up today. So I have written and drawn picture on the board. So come to the board now. I have written first chapter 4. This is chapter 4. And what is the name of chapter? Separation of substances. So I have not written because my board is small size. So I can't able to write the name of the chapter. So I have written second type of mixture. Second type. First type of mixture was solid with solid. But second type of mixture is solid with liquids. Solid with liquids. Now this solid with liquid are divided into 2 subcategory, because not all the solids are soluble in liquid. All solids are not soluble in liquid. So this topic get again subcategorized into 2 categories. Subcategory. First number, look at here. Solid soluble in liquid. Solid insoluble in liquid. Is it clear? I am telling again and again, all the solids are not soluble in liquid. So such type of mixture are divided into 2 types, 2 subcategories. First category is solids soluble in liquid and solids insoluble in liquid. Is it clear? Solids soluble in liquid and solids insoluble in liquid. So today I will take this number, A number, solids soluble in liquids. I will take up today first points, first subcategory, solids soluble in liquids. So I will also perform a practical small activity of some solids that are soluble in water or liquid, and that solid substance gets separated by which process. So first I will take up the separation of solids from the liquid by evaporation process. Evaporation process, I will separate the solid from liquid by applying which process? To evaporation process. With the help of evaporation process, I will separate the solid from liquid. And now look at here, this is a beaker, this is a glass or beaker, whatever, glass having solution of salt solution. Look at here, this is the salt solution, salt plus water, water plus salt. This is the salt solution. This salt solution is taken in a dish. Look at here, this is a dish, china dish plate. This salt solution, this solution is made by mixing salt plus water. Is it clear? Salt is soluble in liquid. We are studying solids soluble in liquid. Salt plus water. This is the salt and water soluble solution. This solution is taken in this dish. This is a dish, a plate, china dish having wire gauge, a mesh net of wire gauge. This dish is kept over the wire mesh, and under that a burner is kept over there. Start burning. We start heating the material by lighting of the burner. This is the burner. This is burner. I light up the burner. They start heating the material. Start heating material. As you started heating, water from this solution starting evaporating. Start evaporating. Okay. Water started evaporation from the solution. As the all water from this dish get evaporated, then we blew a switch of the burner. As the water from this dish get evaporated, then switch of the burner, burner blew off, switch of the burner, and this dish is kept over there on the floor or anywhere, or the stand anywhere. This dish kept over there to let it cool. When it becomes cool, there is only, we find the white color salt powder are present in this bowl. By this process, we separate salt from the solution of salt. By using such as all these apparatus and by the process of evaporation. Is it clear? You will define the definition of evaporation. I will also define this definition of the process of separation of solid from in the liquid by the process of evaporation, and by doing this activity. You will also write the activity in your copy. As I have completed an activity, separation of salt from the salt solution, and one more thing is that your mama is using salt in your house, in the vegetables and the curry or the whatever the material. That salt come from where, do you know? That salt come from seawater by the process of evaporation. Near the seabed, a dig is made and keep the seawater into that seabed, and due to the heat of the sun, water evaporated due to heat of the sun, and salt is left over. But that salt that is made near the sea, near the bank of sea, that salt having many impurities. Do you know all these impurities are separated from the salt by the different method of separation, and one more thing, that how much the gram of the salt are present in 1 liter of seawater. 1 liter of seawater having near about 36 gram of salt in 1 liter of seawater. In 1 liter of seawater having 36 gram of salt. Is it clear? Is it clear? Salt obtained from seawater having impurities. So such salt get purified by another method of separation, that is called crystallization. Because I am going to teach or crystallization method. Is it clear? So crystallization method is also as same as the evaporation method. Just like in evaporation method, crystallization also. So crystallization method is a method of separation of the crystal substance in the crystal form. Crystal, that means, do you know crystal? Crystal means particles of sugar. Particle of sugar. Do you know particle of sugar? Sugar particle. Misri. Have you seen misri? That is the crystal of sugar. Misri. Particle of sugar. That is the crystal of sugar. Crystal form. Is it clear? So crystallization process is also given the name because of the crystal of sugar. Because we are going to separate sugar from a concentrated or saturated solution of sugar. Is it clear? Crystal clear? So our next process of separation is crystallization. So I have drawn the picture on the board also, and I have also written the process of separation on the board. This process is called crystallization. Which type of mixture we are studying? Solids soluble in liquids. First process. And which process of we are taking? Crystallization. Crystallization process name given as a crystal. Crystal. Do you know crystal? A particle of sugar, or that is the misri. That is the crystal form. That are in the crystal form. In this process also we make a solution of sugar and water. Sugar and water, that is a solution. In which we take a beaker. This is a beaker having water, and we dissolve 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 spoon of sugar into this water and make a saturated solution. Make a saturated solution. Saturated solution. Do you know what is saturated solution? Saturated solution is that in which no more sugar get dissolved. Saturated solution means no more sugar get dissolved in this solution. They don't have capacity to dissolve more sugar in it. This is the saturated solution. So this is the solution of sugar and water. What type of solution? So saturated solution. No more sugar can dissolve in this water. This is saturated solution. We will separate, I will separate sugar from this saturated solution. So we transfer this solution into this china dish. This concentrated sugar solution get transferred into this china dish and light up the burner. Light up the burner. This burner get starting up and heating the solution. This burner started heating the solution. Water from this china dish again get evaporated slowly and slowly, and we will stir the solution like this. Slowly and slowly stir the solution so that the easily material moving here and there or easily water get evaporated. As the water get evaporated from this saturated solution of sugar and water, we just switch off the burner. Again switch off the burner. Okay. All the water from this china dish get evaporated from this. Then we switch off the burner. Switch off the burner. Switch off the burner. Okay. Now this is transferred here. And here having a rod. This rod, we just touch the rod with the solution and seeing like this rod. So such crystal form of material get deposited on this rod. When we touch the rod with this solution, with this material, with this substance, after evaporation, we getting the materials that stick on this rod that look like a crystal, transparent material. This is the crystal of sugar. This is the crystal of sugar. In this way, sugar are separated from the saturated sugar solution by the process of, so this process is called crystallization. This process is called crystallization, because at last we are getting sugar in the crystal form, transparent crystal form. That is particle of sugar or the misri, crystal form, sugar. We are separating sugar from saturated sugar solution. You will write the, make the diagram and you will write the activity in your book, and also define the crystallization and the evaporation. I will also define crystallization and evaporation on the board, so you will just draw this diagram. I think you now you all have books and having picture also, so you will take the help with your book and draw the diagram in your copy and perform this activity. This is the activity 3. This is activity 3. Activity 3. Is it clear? Which activity? The crystallization. Is it clear? Can I rub the blackboard? Clean the blackboard to define the crystallization. To define crystallization, yes, you take the help from your book, and you may also take help from this picture. I will wait for 1 minute. You just observe the picture. Anybody didn't have books, so they take the help from this book. May I clean the board? May I clean the board? Yes. Is it clear? I will define the crystallization and evaporation. First, crystallization. Crystallization is a process. I am writing. Crystallization is a process of separating separation of pure solids from a saturated solution. Solids from a saturated solution. Is it clear? Is it clear? Crystallization is a process of separation of pure solids from a saturated solution of sugar and water. Is it clear? Now second process, evaporation. Evaporation is a same process of separation of solids from a mixture of salt and water. Solids from a mixture of salt and water. Is it clear? Is it clear? As I think you have understood the whatever the taught today, two types of separation, evaporation and crystallization, with the help of activity and the definition also. And I have also discussed about the 1 liter of seawater having 36 gram of common edible salt. So you keep it in your mind. Is it clear? You will note it down the activities and the definition. Right? Now I would like to conclude my class today. Have a nice day.